Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DMPI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely crazy move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. And with that, there is quite a few eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support and resistance for the remainder of the week. A little bit of a shorter week. Yesterday was Christmas, so still 3 days left, but we're on a little bit different of a schedule here. But let's first start by mapping out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. First area of support is what I'd call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? And that would be if the price can stay above $1.07. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below it, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined. However, if the price can stay up above it, that would certainly be a huge sign of power. Next level of support is where the bears tried several times today to push down through, and that's right there at the dollar mark. I'm not going to count the number of times, but you can see right there, actually, I will. It looks like 4 separate instances right there. The Bulls try to, or I should say the Bears try to press down through, but the Bulls did a great job of holding strong. So $1.07, $1, those two near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, it's all about the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very just basic and straightforward point of view, assuming you care about more of a bigger term time frame, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the purple line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full strength, no questions asked. That's just basically the trend indicator, and as long as the price stays above the trend indicator, bulls are in full control. What about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, I'm going to call the key level of resistance right up here at $1.17. Yeah, I realize the price went slightly above it, but also a couple times price didn't quite hit it, so I'm just going to go ahead and try to split the difference there and call it $1.17. Anyway, slice it though, nice move today, big volume. Not just a matter of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.